The human brain is a machine designed to find closure. When a story ends, we archive it. When it stays open, we obsess over it. This is the Zeigarnik Effect. It is the reason you can't forget a cliffhanger in a movie or a person who left without a final word. To be remembered is a choice. To be obsessed over is a science. Today we learn the art of the open loop. Most people make the mistake of over-explaining. They give away their history, their feelings, and their future in the first week. They provide closure too early. And once a person knows everything about you, their brain checks the box and moves on. The obsession code dictates a different path. Never finish the story. Leave them with one unanswered question. In 1927, psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik noticed that waiters remembered complex orders perfectly until the bill was paid. The moment the transaction was complete, the memory vanished. The brain had achieved closure. It had permission to forget. When you are too consistent, too available, and too predictable, you are paying the bill. You are giving them permission to forget you. To haunt someone's mind, you must create a mental itch. You must be the order that is never quite delivered. How do you do this? Start with information gaps. When asked about your past, give a detail that implies a deeper secret, then change the subject. Say, "I'll tell you about that another time. It's a long story." You have just planted a seed in their subconscious. Their brain will now work overtime to fill in the blanks. They will create a version of you that is far more interesting than reality. This is psychological projection. You aren't doing the work. Their own imagination is building the obsession for you. The second level of the Zeigarnik loop is the interrupted interaction. Leave a conversation when it is at its most exciting. Don't wait for the energy to die down. Leave while the dopamine is peaking. This leaves the loop wide open. They will spend the next few hours replaying that last moment. Their brain is trying to finish the sequence. They are now trapped in the loop, and the only way to get closure is to see you again. This is why the perfect date is a mistake. If everything is perfect and complete, there is no reason for the brain to keep working. The memorable date is the one that was interrupted, the one with the mystery left hanging in the air. Digital communication is the easiest place to use this. End the text thread when it's good. By not saying goodbye, you have denied them closure. Their brain will check their phone every 10 minutes, looking for the end of the story. You are no longer a person. You are a problem their brain is trying to solve. And we value what we have to solve. Status is built in the spaces you don't fill. Power is found in the things you don't say. In the world of the obsession code, clarity is a weakness. Mystery is the ultimate currency. If you want to be a priority, you must be an enigma. You must be the song that gets stuck in their head because they forgot the lyrics. The brain loves the familiar, but it is enslaved by the incomplete. Master the art of the partial reveal. Show the light, but keep the lamp in the shadows. When you control the ending, you control the attention. When you deny the ending, you control the obsession. This is the third law. It is a psychological trap that has no escape, because the prisoner is their own mind. Stop providing the bill. Start providing the mystery. The next time you speak, leave a loop open. Watch how quickly the dynamic shifts. The code is not for everyone. It is for those who are tired of being forgotten. Master the Zeigarnik loop. Own the narrative. Subscribe to unlock the next law. Welcome to the shadows of the obsession code.